What's up, y'all? It's me, Cece, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I will be doing a cook with me for the very first time. Not the first time me cooking, but first time you want to cook with me on my channel. But my mama always taught me you cannot cook in a dirty kitchen, so it's dirty. I think I'm gonna do like some baked chicken, some spaghetti, cornbread, green beans. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I need to do the dishes first so I can get that thawed out, because the chicken is not thawed out at all. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you turn on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new one, and let's go ahead and get into it. Can you see me? All white. Anyways, I just finished cleaning, doing all the dishes, wiping down the counter, sweeping, cleaning the stove off, all this stuff. We're gonna look at this chicken. I had already put it, like, that was one of the first things I did, because like I said, it was hard as a brick, so it needed to thaw out. So we're gonna check on that and see if that's soft enough, because if that is soft enough to go ahead and start cooking, then that's what I'm gonna do first, because chicken's gonna take longer than the spaghetti. I told my mama that I wanted to make cornbread, but ain't nobody gonna go to the stove, so we are doing, what she call it, faroni, some type of bread that I'm gonna make. It's gonna be my first time making it. I don't know how to make it from scratch, so we're gonna see how that turns out, and we'll have green beans and stuff. So let's look at this chicken and see what's going on here. It's still hard, like towards the drumstick part, but the actual drum, it's softening up. 6:08. I started cleaning at 5:30, I think. Okay, so now I'm gonna just show y'all all the spices and stuff I'm gonna use for the chicken. I'm just gonna take everything out, probably make a thumbnail. I need to start cooking before 6:30 though, for sure. Y'all, why do we have 5 microwaves in the kitchen? We literally we got one right there, and we got one sitting, that box over there, that's a new microwave, because this one stopped working, but they ain't put the new one in yet, so we've been using the white one. So for the spaghetti, we're gonna need ground beef. I'm not gonna take the ground beef out yet, because I don't want it just to be sitting, so I'm gonna take everything else out. I might need a nanny. Okay, this is stuff that I took out. This is my spaghetti.
Where's cookies go?
Huh?
Where's it go?
What?
The cookies.
I got some crackers. You want some crackers? You want a banana? Or orange? Let me peel it for you.
No.
You don't want an orange?
No.
We don't have no cookies. You want popsicle? What color you want?
Red.
Red?
Yeah.
Period. Yeah. So now that we have our chicken right here, this is not the best angle, but like, don't do too much though, because I don't know how y'all gonna see the food I'm making and me at the same time. But we finna start seasoning it, like staggered a little bit, and then we're just gonna go with our salt and pepper first. A little bit of oil at the bottom too, because we don't want no dry chicken, you know what I mean. And I just put it at the four corners. We never played about the elaborate. We're gonna go in with this. Onion powder. Go ahead, some cayenne pepper, but not too much though. This garlic salt, and I had garlic powder, but I'm still gonna put this on there, just a little bit. Is that all I want to do? Red pepper. I forgot about red pepper. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing though? So now we're gonna flip them because we need to season the back of it too. And you just turn it around. Now that our chicken is seasoned, we're gonna put this in the oven. Wash my hands, then put it in the oven. Now we're gonna take our pot and fill it up with some water, and then we're gonna start our noodles. So this is going to boil for probably like 10 minutes. So we're gonna start with 1 1/4 cup of flour. This is for the wet stuff, which is just milk and the vegetable oil. We ain't even got vegetable oil. I'm gonna make it butter because butter is probably gonna be better anyways. And then we're gonna use these for our dry mixtures. I guess put the rest of it in there. Then 3/4 cup of the cream of wheat mixtures. These. A 1/2 cup. I kind of want to do brown sugar, but it's not open and I don't feel like opening it. This is 1/4 cup. 2/4 cups, so that's 1/2 cup. A 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A tablespoon of baking powder. So a teaspoon of vanilla. It's gonna have the cornbread tasting real good. I put way more than a teaspoon, but I ain't gonna lie. Never hurt nobody. Got our milk, our egg, 3/4 cup of milk. One-fourth cup of vegetable oil, but we ain't had no vegetable oil, so we're gonna use butter because I want to use butter anyways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half a stick of butter. Look. It smells good too. Anyways, I'm gonna keep adding milk until it's the consistency that cornbread's supposed to be. Huh? Crackers?
Yeah.
Us to baby, come on now. I'm trying to tell you just how I lied to hear the words roll out of your mouth finally. Chicken smells so good, y'all. I'm not lying. The one for me and the one for you. Yeah. Putting it in more of a kind of longer type of pan because it's not supposed to be this thick to begin with. And so because it's a little bit thick, I don't want it to be like stacked on top of each other and like cook weird. But I put more sugar in it to taste like vanilla cornbread, you know. This is what we got right here. So let's check on this chicken though, because it smells too good right now. I ain't gonna lie. Stop playing. The way, ooh wee. They got a little bit longer. We're gonna go ahead and get this ground beef. Once I finish the ground beef, I'm gonna turn on the green beans. And this can turn off though, because this obviously is done. We're gonna start on our green beans while this is grounding and let it sit and blacken up. We're just gonna open these up and drain them in the sink. water in it. Not too much. You don't want them to be extra vinegary. Turn this down a little bit because it's almost completely done. It's just a little bit more pink in there and then it'll be done. So then we can drain this and then put them together, make our spaghetti. But as far as our green beans, I'm gonna go ahead and start seasoning them. My mama put me on this liquid smoke. A little bit of that. Let me show y'all because I don't think I'm giving y'all enough visual. But put some little bit of liquid smoke in there. This is how our meat is looking. It's cooking, girl. Our noodles are damn near dry, but we're gonna rinse these off in cold water anyways. And we're gonna hope and pray about this cornbread because I really made my own recipe whole time because that did not turn out. Some red pepper, red cayenne. Red pepper is a little bit hotter than the regular ground red pepper. Don't go too ham because this will make it hot. And I got a nephew that y'all seen in my video probably. And we don't want it to be too hot. A little bit of lard, but it's not that much. Some salt. And then we're gonna mix it up. See, we gotta have the juices looking like that. Okay, so basically I'm almost done. Let me show y'all everything. Here goes this spaghetti. Nice and everything is supposed to be. I don't like the way they look like on the camera versus what it looks like in real life. But anyways, so we got our spaghetti. I like when like the green beans kind of chop up by themselves. They look extra green on here. They look way darker in person. Anyways, now this is what we got going with the cornbread. It's actually coming out. It's busting through the seams. It looks so white. Why everything looks so white on this camera? And here's the chicken. Let me go ahead and take the chicken out though. Tell me, ooh. I don't know what's going on with this, but I'm pretty sure it's not done. It's getting a little brown around the edges. I'm pretty sure you can't see that. But I'm gonna put a fork in it and see how much it needs to cook, how much more it needs to cook. I ain't gonna lie, I might be done. But I know it's not, so let me just keep it in there. Did nothing come up on the fork, but I still don't feel like it's all the way done in the middle, so I'm gonna leave that. So that's when cooking, I'll come back and eat. I guess I'll eat on top of y'all. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so everything is done. Let me show you. Y'all, first of all, this busting through the seams and the inside looks so moist. Here goes the spaghetti. Our green beans, nice and seasoned. I already know them finna be fine. Busting through the seams. falling off the bone, busting through the seams. That smells good. It really smells like cake. Well, let me cut that open actually, because we was worried about the cornbread. So okay, so these is our plates. Our plates is yeah. Yeah. You got 3 pieces of chicken?
Man, big serve.
Okay, so we finna try out camera. This, which you wanna do first?
You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get the veggies in first.
Okay, we're gonna do green beans first.
As expected. As expected, you know.
These kind of spicy. That's how I wanted them done.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go skitty.
As expected, you be man.
Okay.
What that? What that chicken?
The chicken.
Uh-oh. I had to throw hot sauce on mine.
Mine ain't got no hot sauce on it.
I'm gonna have to get another one. Did that right there.
I don't know what to say.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
As expected.
My daddy said the cornbread was 5. He got like 3 pieces. So, here we go. What's up playing with me?
No, you cooking Thanksgiving, man.
Stop playing with me. Like,
You participating in the
I
cooking
know.
on Thanksgiving, man. That right there.
the moistureness.
Y'all jealous right now.
So, was it a fail? It was a pass? I would have to say, this is my big creation.
Pass with flying colors. You
Sprite and flying colors. The Sprite, I made the Sprite is so fast. I made the water bottle. The water bottle so
I'm gonna come back later.
Stop playing with me, y'all. Like, for real. Anyways, I'm finna finish eating my food. I'm probably watch Wednesday, because they ain't not watching it. Now episode 8 and I'm on episode 6. So, but thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If y'all like this video, y'all want to see more cooking with me, make sure you let me know down in the comments. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.